Hey beautiful people, I just thought I would do a quick review on my Tinchy Stryder Goji, I think that's how you pronounce it, headphones that I did a box opening for. Go and check out my other videos if you want to have a look at that, some other ones there as well. I got these headphones a good few weeks ago in Curry's PC World. They were on offer, I think they were £25. I think they were. I've got them in white. They're also available in black. And also you can get the in-ear ones as well as the on-ear ones that I have. I don't tend to wear headphones that often, and I literally got these because every now and again, if my other half is watching something on TV or so I put them on when he's watching something on TV that I don't want to, so I can watch YouTube and stuff. The only other headphones or earphones that I've used are the ones that came on my iPhone, like the in-ear things. But these, I find these quite irritating. I can't watch a whole film with these in because they just irritate my ears. I mean, they're fine for an hour, anything over that, and I do find them quite annoying. So I have to take them off and then stop the film, and anyway, you know how it is. So I got these over ear ones because I thought they would be better, and they are. They are really comfortable. This bit here around your ear, really comfy. Sound quality I think is really good. I'm no expert. These the iPhone ones are the only ones that I've kind of used before. So they are really good. I haven't really got an awful lot to say about them. They're comfy, they do their job, they come with this cool little bag. You can extend them if you need to. I don't need to. You can fold them in, and they fit in here really well. And I think this is a really good idea rather than having, like a big box sat about. You can just bung everything in there, and that's really handy to go. And they're not going to get bust in there. And I really like the fact also that if you use the ones that I've used in the past of headphones like this, or any headphones, not even the ones that I've used, but the ones that my other half used as well, I tend to sort of do this to the wire. I don't know if anyone else does that or not. And then this gets quite weak here. Well, these come with a detachable one. So when you're finished, you can detach it and then fold them up properly and then put them in the bag, which I find really helpful. And that, it's not going to get weak by doing that. Comes with the little mic and the volume on here. I just find them really useful. Comfy, I would definitely recommend them. I would purchase them again if I needed to, but I mean, they've kind of been chucked about a little bit and they're absolutely fine. So yeah, definitely recommend. Don't really know what else to say about them. Definitely recommend them. I don't know if they're still on offer or not in Curry's at PC World. I paid, as I said, I think I paid about £25 for them, and I think they're about 45 or something like that. I can't actually remember, sorry guys. But I would say that they were definitely worth that too. I mean, just for the comfort, if you suffer from annoying ears when you've got certain headphones on, I didn't find these annoying at all. I like the design of them, as so you can get them in black as well. I like the fact that they've got a little bit of silver, sort of chromey colour around there, and they're white, and I just really like them. Really comfy, does the job, exactly what I needed them for. So yeah, cool. Hope you're all having a good evening, guys. check out my other videos. There's one going up, if it's not already up now, regarding a giveaway that I'm running from Lush. I have 8 pots of hair moisturiser to give away. If you go and have a look at the video, it tells you all the information on there. Hope you're all having a really cool evening, and check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye.